Investing is a big decision, and before you put your money in any investment, there are some key things you need to consider. Here are the top 5 important things to keep in mind. First, your financial goals. It is important to understand what you hope to achieve through your investment. Are you saving for your retirement or trying to generate short-term income? Knowing your goals will help you determine the best type of investment for you. Second, your risk tolerance. Investing comes with risks, and it's important to understand how much risk you're comfortable taking on. Are you okay with the possibility of losing money in exchange for the potential of higher returns? Understanding your risk tolerance will help you make more informed investment decisions. Third, the investment itself. Before investing your money, it's important to do thorough research on the investment opportunity. What are the potential returns? What are the risks involved? How long is the investment horizon? These are just some of the questions you should be asking. Fourth, market conditions. The current market conditions can significantly impact your investment performance. Are we in a bull market or a bear market? Are interest rates rising or falling? Understanding the market conditions will help you make more informed investment decisions. Fifth, your personal situation. Finally, it's important to consider your personal financial situation before investing. Do you have debt that needs to be paid off first? Do you have an emergency fund in place? Your personal financial situation will impact your ability to withstand market volatility and should be considered before making any investment decisions. In conclusion, investing can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to make informed decisions. By keeping these 5 key points in mind, you can increase your chances of success and reach your financial goals. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and leaving a comment on the comment section.